Light modeling paste, MM32. What is it? Where do you use it? How do you use it? So the light modeling paste is similar to the impasto medium, but lighter. What it is, or what both of these mediums are relief mediums or impasto mediums to build real texture into your artwork. The impasto medium is quite dense, will give really detailed relief. But if you're trying to use it really, really thick, so 1 centimetre, 2 centimetres, 3 centimetres even, you'll actually find that the impasto medium have the canvas starting to sag a little bit just because of the weight of the impasto medium. So that's where light modelling paste comes into its own. It is a lightweight paste but still holds its body. Now with both these mediums, you can add paint into them, or indeed you can paint over the top of them. They're both made so that when added to paint, they won't change the colour of the paint too much, but obviously anything that you add to a colour that isn't more of the same colour will change it slightly. So you are able to also lay this down, if your technique allows, lay one of these two down and then paint over the top. How do you use this medium? You can use it with anything. Syringes, any sort of brushes, palette knives, really anything you can make a mark with or lay it down with, you can use it. What surfaces can you apply it to? Once again, pretty well any surface. Wood, canvas, panels, cardboard, anything really. And so of course you're not just limited to canvas or two-dimensional surfaces, but three-dimensional surfaces as well. Making a base of paper mache or some sort of marquette, and it's terrific for building heavy texture and 3D forms. And of course, you wash all these guys up in water. So if you're looking to really give some texture to your work, then go with impasto medium. If you're looking to really build that texture up, then have a look at our new light modelling paste.